Hi guys! Welcome sa Zip9. In this video ay itutuloy natin yung series natin on system of linear equations in 3 variables. So here we have 2a plus 3b minus c is equal to negative 9, a minus 2b minus 3c is equal to negative 4, and negative 3a plus b plus 5c is equal to 11. Sa una, pwede tayo mag-decide kung ano ba yung i-eliminate natin, a, b, or c. Okay, suppose gusto natin i-eliminate yung A. Bago tayo mag-start, i-label muna natin yung mga equations. This is equation 1, this is equation 2, and this is equation 3. Now, kung gusto natin i-eliminate yung A using equation 1 and equation 2, pwede nating i-multiply yung equation 2 ng negative 2 para ito magiging negative 2A siya at pag inad natin siya sa equation 1, magiging 0. So, ibig sabihin, negative 2 times equation 2 plus equation 1. Yung gagawin natin para ma-eliminate natin yung A. So, pag minultiply natin yung negative 2 by equation 2, we have negative 2A plus 4B and then plus 6C is equal to 8. Tapos, pag inad natin siya sa equation 1, so 2A plus 3B minus c is equal to negative 9. So pag inad natin, magiging, makakancel yung 2a tsaka negative 2a. We have 7b plus 5c is equal to negative 1. So pwede natin tawagin to na equation 4. Now, para makahanap ulit tayo ng another equation in two variables, pwede tayong mamili ng another pair. No? Kanina ang pair natin ay equation 1 tsaka equation 2. Pwede naman equation 2 and equation 3. Of course, pwede rin na equation 3 and equation 1, no? Pwede naman, basta another pair siya other than equation 1 and equation 2. Dapat A din yung eliminate natin para yung resulting equation natin magiging B and C din yung variables niya, di ba? Para magkakaroon tayo ng two equations in two variables. So, paano natin i-eliminate yung A? Pwede natin i-multiply yung equation 2 ng 3 para maging 3a ito, at pag inad natin siya sa equation 3, ay magiging 0 siya. Ibig sabihin, ang gagawin natin ay 3 times equation 2 plus equation 3. So pag minultiply natin yung equation 2 ng 3, we have 3a minus 6b minus 9c equals negative 12. So minultiply ko lang lahat ng terms by 3. And then we copy equation 3. We have negative 3a plus b plus 5c equals 11. So again, pag inad natin yan, we have 3 plus negative 3a, 0. Tapos ito naman ay negative 5b. Ito ay minus 4c equals negative 1. Ito naman yung magiging equation 5 natin. And notice that equation 4 and equation 5 ay two equations in two variables. Okay? So, halimbawa, gusto nating i-eliminate itong C. So, meron tayong 5C tsaka 4C. So, dapat equal yung absolute value ng numerical coefficients nila, di ba? Para maging equal yan, pwede natin kunin yung LCM. Ang LCM nila ay 20, di ba? Meaning, we multiply this by 4 para maging 20 and we multiply this by 5. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, we have 4 times equation 4 plus 5 times equation 5. So, pag minultiply natin yung equation 4 by 4, we have 28b plus 20c equals negative 4. Multiply ko lang to ng by 4. Tapos pag minultiply ko naman to ng 5, we have negative 25b minus 20c is equal to negative 5. So pag inad natin yan, yung plus 20 tsaka minus 20, magiging 0 na yan. Ang matitira magiging 3b is equal to negative 9. Which means that b is equal to negative 3. Okay? So, pwede tayong mag-substitute dito sa dalawang to para makuha natin yung value ng C. So dito na lang tayo sa unang equation. We have 28b, which is negative 3 plus 20c is equal to negative 4. So this is negative 84 plus 20c is equal to negative 4. So 20c is equal to negative 4 plus 84, which is 80, which means that c is equal to 80 divided by 20 is equal to 4. Okay, so A na lang. Pwede natin balikan yung isa sa mga equations na may tatlong variables. For example, equation 1. So 2A plus 3B. Kaso ang B natin ay negative 3. So 3 times negative 3 minus yung C natin ay 4 is equal to negative 9. So 2A, 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. Minus 4 is negative 13. So this is plus negative 13 equals negative 9. And 2A is equal to negative 9 plus 13, that's 4, which means that A is equal to 2. Okay, so nakuha na natin yung values ng A, B, and C. Ang A natin ay 2, ang B natin ay negative 3, at ang C natin ay 4. Alright, so siguro we'll have 2 more videos about this and we can wrap this up. Maraming salamat, sana nag-enjoy kayo. Huwag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe sa ating channel, invite your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.